The importance of decentralization in data might even be stronger than the decentralization of money.
I am really passionate about guaranteeing individual liberties on the internet with technology such as ours, and that is really the reason I'm doing it more than anything else.
Hi, I'm Julian. I'm the CEO and co-founder of the idOS, the Identity Operating System. The idOS is a decentralized storage and access management protocol, mostly for user data and also compliant use cases like KYC, AML.
Feather of a bird, and you dip it in ink, and that's what you write with. And so Kwil, we build databases, and you write to a database.
We started the idOS because we saw that we needed a decentralized way to store data, especially for one of the most pressing use cases, which is compliance in that space.
The reason we need decentralization is the exact reason why we need public goods. The current internet, you can access things and it works great, but you don't have any rights. You don't have the right to free speech. You don't even have the right to use these things. And so this has led to a lot of abuses of individual liberties on the internet because it's not owned by the public, it's owned by a private corporation.
In Web3, we've been talking about decentralizing identity data for nearly as long as Bitcoin exists. So we tried everything there is to try. We tried the registry approach that Coinbase recently did. We tried the soulbound token idea. We built an identity wallet that had 80,000 users. All of this didn't work until we discovered that the only way how to make it work is decentralized storage.
Kwil is a decentralized storage network that is all-inclusive, and it allows you to build robust and nuanced applications.
We actually evaluated lots of different storage providers and very actively chose the Kwil team because they were the most excited and they had a stack that worked end to end.
And so with Kwil, we allow you to build access control around your data. So you can choose who can access what and when they can access it. And it's also optimized to support a lot of data.
It is unclear to me how we would have done it without working with the Kwil team. And that extends also on a founder level to think on how infrastructure, how the governance model of such system can be built. The opportunity of working with Kwil allowed us to focus a lot more on actually bringing the whole system to market. Because we just had one piece of the stack that we didn't need to take care of. Building our own decentralized data storage for identity without Kwil would be possible. But the point is that it's so much easier building with Kwil, and it will continuously become even easier.
Users trust Kwil as a core part of their stack because we are deeply committed and we will be here for a very long time, continuing to build and support the people building on us.
The only way how we can actually win is if we work together so that each of us supplies a tiny part of that giant stack that needs to be solved extremely well and in a way that it can interoperate with everyone else. And the Kwil stack is the only stack that works for us today.